सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। Hello children. Children, today we are going to start one more tense of verb, that is simple past tense, chapter number 21. Okay, so children, let's begin. Everyone open your chapter number 21. Children, let us again revise what are the tenses of verb. So children, a verb not only tells us about an action, but it also tells us about the time of the actions. Yes children, the tenses of verb tells us about an action, that when the action has happened or whether the action is happening or the action is going to happen. So children, the tenses tells us about the time of the action. For example, Pia walks to school every day. Pia walked to school yesterday. So children, both this sentence, they are showing the same action, but the times are different. Yes, this action was carried out in present situation. Yes, because it is talking, Pia walks to school every day. So it is talking about present scenario. Yes, present situation. We can say it is happening now. This situation is happening now. So this sentence talks about the present tense. The second sentence talks about the situation or the action has already happened. It is talking about yesterday. So the verb walks tells us that the action is taking place in the present moment. And the verb walked tells us that the action took place at the certain time in the past. Yes, this the action has already happened. So the two form of verb walk and walked show two different times. Yes, which is happened, already happened, and or walks tells us that the action is taking place in the present moment, means which is happening now. Understood children? So children, let's begin the tense of verb, simple past tense. The past tense of a verb tells us that the action took place or happened at a certain time in the past. Okay children, understood? Simple past tense means the verb tells us that the action has already happened in the past. For example, we played football yesterday. So children, this sentence is talking about that they have played the football yesterday. Means this action has already happened. Yes. So the verb played tells us that the action took place at the past. I wrote a poem for my mother. The verb wrote tells us that the action took place at the past. So children, let us see how to form the past tense of verb. To form the past tense of most of the verbs, we usually add ed to the verb. So children, if the verb is clean, we add ed to the past tense of the verb. So the past tense of the verb clean is cleaned. Talk, talk. To form the past tense of most of the verbs, we double the last letter of the verb and add ed to it. So children, do you remember when we were forming the verb in present continuous tense, we double the last letter of the verb. Yes. So in the same way, here also you have to double the last letter of the verb by adding ed, not ing. In present continuous tense, we add ing. In past tense, we add ed. So here you have to see whether the last two letter, one is of vowel sound and other is of consonant. Then the last letter you have to double it and add ed. So grab, grabbed. Peen, peen. Children, now let's see one more rule. To find the past tense of certain verbs that ends in e, we add d to the verb. So children, if the verb is move, then E is already given children. So you just have to add D to the past tense of the verb. For example, move, move become moved. Dive, dived. Use, used. Some verbs form their past tense little differently. So children, if you find the verb write, so the past tense of verb write becomes wrote. Bring becomes brought. Give becomes gave. Children, let's begin the textbook exercises. We use the past tense to talk about an action that has already taken place. For example, yesterday my grandmother gave me a gift. We went to the beach last week. They visited Mysore last summer. So children, these are some examples of past tense. Now let's begin exercise number A. Fill in the blanks using the simple past tense forms of the verbs given in the brackets. So children, here some questions are given. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to read the question properly and you have to change the verbs given in the brackets into the simple past tense form. Okay. The first one is last year I dashed to New Delhi. So here the option is travel. So travel becomes traveled. Yes, because at the end one letter is of vowel sound and other is of consonant. So we double the letter and add ed. Second, Tina dash French for 3 years. Study, study becomes studied. Third one, we dash a fantastic book last week. So read becomes read. Here there will be no changes. Read become read only. Fourth one, I dash a friend in Mumbai yesterday. So visit becomes visited. Fifth one, we dash for the doctor for 1 hour. Wait, wait becomes waited. 6. They dash with their grandparents in Pune for 2 days. Option is stay. Stay becomes stayed. So understood, children? So in this way you have to form the simple past tense of the given verbs in the bracket. 7 and 8, try to solve these questions. Ninth one, the girl dashed behind the curtain to surprise her father. So children, here the verb is hide. So children, the past tense of hide becomes hid. So children, 10, 11, 12. These are the remaining question. Try to solve it. Now let us solve the exercise. Fill in the blank using the simple past tense forms of the verbs given in the brackets. First one, her friends dashed to Poland via Vienna a week ago. So children, here the verb is fly. So the past tense, simple past tense forms the verb fly becomes flew. Second, Disha dashed the last train in time. So catch becomes caught. Third one, my mother dashed a hand painted scarf for me from London. So children, here verb is buy. So the simple past tense form of the verb buy becomes bought. Now children, let us see fourth one. I dash a big spicy slice of pizza for my dinner. So it becomes ate. A-T-E, ate. So this is the simple past tense form of the verb eat. Fifth one, the people dash less taxes in the past. So children, pay becomes paid. P-A-I-D, paid. Sixth one, he dash an old friend on way to the market. Here, meet. The verb is meet. The simple past tense forms of the verb meet becomes met. M-E-T, met. 7. My mom dashed to me every week when I was in hostel. So right becomes wrote. 8.1. My friends dash me a big surprise on my birthday. Give becomes gave. 9.1. I dashed to change the light bulb that had burnt out. Try becomes tried. 10.1. The Titanic was crossing in the Atlantic when it dashed an iceberg. So children, here the option is strike. The past tense form of the verb strike is struck. 11. She dashed some food for the poor man in the street. So here children, leave becomes left. 12th one, he dashed alone in the park. Sit is the verb. So the past tense form of sit becomes sat. So children, now everyone understood how to change the verb in simple past tense. Okay. So children, write all this answer with the good handwriting in your Grammar Magic book. Chapter number 21. Now children, it's a homework time. Copy down the answers in the given blanks and complete the remaining exercises.